Morning. It's early morning at Mara River. It's around 6 o'clock. You can see some hippos are back to the river, and it's very quiet. Beautiful scenery. We are at National Mara Camp Hotel. It's amazing hotel. It's middle of the forest. You can see. How is it? There it is. Yes. So day 2 we started. We are going now to see animals. Thank you. Yes, this is a beautiful sunrise, early morning. You can see some animals are there, and this is very early morning, around
6:30.
6:30.
We are moving.
So we are moving, and
Nice,
beautiful scenery.
atmosphere.
Early morning. We are good to go. You can see there some animals. Thank you. You can see the plain land.
How's your plane then?
It's beautiful. Beautiful sky, early morning. You can see far. And here there are some wildebeests. Beautiful,
Beautiful scenery.
beautiful, beautiful. Yes, early morning game drive. You can see these are wildebeest. They are so many. They are everywhere here. So most of the wildebeest, they are here. Very nice. You can see them.
Wildebeest.
Yeah.
Kungnan kale munta daga? Konkani mein.
Konkani mein, even I don't know what they say. Wildebeest. Here they are. These are hyenas. Maybe waiting for lion's kill. So here there are 4 of them.
Hyena.
Hyenas.
One is sleeping.
No, 2 are sleeping.
3.
Three are sleeping.
4 are there.
So you can see. Yesterday we saw the hyena chase.
Yeah.
Now today.
Oh, this is quite big.
Hyenas. Yeah, you can see. I think lions are killed wildebeest, and hyenas are clearing up now. You can see how sharp their teeth are. So the hyena is finishing. The kill was there early morning. Maybe we missed it.
Yes.
So the hyena is cleaning. Hyena has a very strong teeth.
How it eats.
Yes, it's after the kill. Always the vultures, they come and eat remaining ones. You can see one of the vulture. Yes, this is a place the kill was, and here is the vulture. Yes, Father, there are so many wildebeest all over, everywhere.
This side we have zebra.
See, there is a balloon safari. Yes, you can see
Small one.
the elephant so near, and there.
So many lions. Elephants are
And there it is.
They're more on the right here.
Many of them.
Breaking trees here on the right.
Yeah, you can see. But this is very nice.
Quite big.
Quite big. Wait, it's coming.
I mean this side.
Yes. going back. Maybe after eating, it's going back to sleep. It's gone. See, you can see the lions and two cubs playing, and
Oh, 2 cups you see, small one.
very small one.
One is big.
That's a mother.
That's a brother. You can see the babe. The mother is the one sitting up, standing and looking at them.
Oh,
2 are there, yeah.
They're playing with their bigger brother. That's the mother now.
See, they're fighting, eh?
Playing.
we can see plenty of elephants. There are many.
Many elephants.
Yes,
1,
you
2,
can
3,
see.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. Nice. Baby elephant. All type of elements. Very nice scene of elephants.
You can see the lioness and the two cubs, the small ones coming this side, and they're following the mother. Mother is here. The cubs are slowly moving. They are so cute. See.